Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes it's just hard to understand the complex datasheets and find true duplicates. By using conditional formatting, it's easy to find and highlight data for review, which later helpful in decision making, either to remove data or not. Let's identify duplicates by using conditional formatting. Select the entire dataset. Make sure Home is selected. Choose Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules. Choose Duplicate Values. Small window will appear asking about how would you like to appear duplicate data. By default, light red fill with dark red text is selected. If you are satisfied with the formatting option, press OK. Excel will format cells which are duplicate. Remember, it will only identify the duplicate values. After review, you can remove duplicate values. Here are the before and after screenshots. Let's move on how to remove duplicates. Excel can remove duplicates with the click of a button. Here's how you do it. Select the entire dataset. Select Data tab. Choose Remove Duplicates button. Select what columns you want Excel to find duplicates in. I will choose all. Press OK. Message will appear. One duplicate value found and removed, 12 values remain. Press OK. Be careful that you choose enough qualifiers to remove the true duplicates. For example, if you choose only first column to remove duplicate, you might lose important record. Notice, on first column Terry name is repeated 3 times, but if you observe keenly, 2 records are same, I mean row number 11 and 13, while 14 has different values for other cells, as compared to row number 11 and 13. After checking all column values in this table, we have only one duplicate row. Excel will keep the 11th row and remove 13th row. The bottom line is, utilize enough information so that you're removing rows that are true identical copies of each other and don't just share one similar value. PS, always take backup before proceed. Here are the before and after screenshots. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.